Hello everyone, hope you all are well. Today we will talk about Fitbit Inspired 2. If you buy from us you will get 10% discount. Go to description to purchase. Let's get started. Build a healthy habit with a free 1-year Fitbit Premium trial for Fitbit Inspire 2 and new premium users. This slim, easy-to-use fitness tracker offers 24/7 heart rate, active zone minutes, activity and sleep tracking, 10-day battery life, and more, and step-by-step fitness and nutrition programs, personalized insights, and sleep tools from Premium. Enjoy 10 days of battery life for daily progress without constant charging. Varies with usage and other factors. Track your time in light, deep and REM sleep, then get a sleep score to better understand your sleep quality each night. Stay inspired from the shower to the pool with this waterproof tracker, water resistant up to 50 meters, and stay motivated by connecting with friends, competing in challenges, earning badges and celebrating goal milestones. You have everything you need to stay healthy. Go to description to purchase. Until today, see you again in the next episode. Everyone will be fine.